Imagine gazing up at the night sky, only to see the familiar constellations twisting and warping before your eyes. The stars no longer hold their steady positions. Instead, they curve and stretch, as if reality itself is melting at the edges. Time seems to slow, and the boundaries of space blur, creating an eerie sense of unease. This is the terrifying spectacle that unfolds as Earth is drawn inexorably toward a black hole where the very fabric of the universe begins to unravel. A black hole slips silently into the solar system, its presence masked by the way it bends and distorts light. At first, the planets continue their orbits, unaware of the invisible force drawing ever closer. Gradually, the immense gravity of the black hole begins to disrupt the delicate balance, causing planetary paths to shift and wobble. Satellites, once stable in their trajectories, start to lose control, veering off course as the gravitational landscape transforms. The solar system, once orderly, is now thrown into chaos by this unseen intruder. As Earth begins its descent toward the black hole, the familiar night sky transforms in extraordinary ways. Stars, once fixed points of light, stretch into elongated arcs, tracing the curvature of space itself. The immense gravity bends light around the black hole, creating a mesmerizing effect known as gravitational lensing. This distortion warps the view of distant galaxies, making the cosmos appear both beautiful and unsettling. With each passing moment, the acceleration intensifies, drawing Earth ever closer to the heart of darkness. Near a black hole, the fabric of time itself is stretched to its limits. As an object approaches the immense gravitational pull, time appears to slow down dramatically compared to the experience on Earth. To an observer far from the black hole, events near its edge seem to unfold in extreme slow motion, almost as if time has come to a standstill. Meanwhile, life on Earth continues at its usual pace, highlighting a striking contrast between our familiar sense of time and the universe's perspective of a nearly frozen world caught in a black hole's grip. As immense tidal forces grip the Earth, the planet begins to fracture under the relentless strain. The crust splits open, sending shockwaves across continents and causing entire landmasses to shift and crumble. Oceans are wrenched from their basins, their waters pulled upward and flung into the void of space. The atmosphere itself is torn apart, stripped away layer by layer, leaving the surface exposed and vulnerable. In moments, the familiar world is transformed into a chaotic landscape of destruction and loss. Spaghettification is a dramatic process that occurs near extremely strong gravitational fields, such as those found around black holes. As an object or a person approaches, the difference in gravitational pull between their head and feet becomes immense. This tidal force stretches the body lengthwise, atom by atom, transforming it into a thin, elongated stream of matter. The process happens incredibly quickly and is instantly fatal, leaving no chance for survival. Ultimately, the object is torn apart and drawn into the black hole, becoming part of its mysterious interior. The event horizon marks the boundary surrounding a black hole, often described as the point of no return. Once any object, including light, crosses this threshold, it cannot escape the immense gravitational pull. From the perspective of an outside observer, something remarkable happens. As an object approaches the event horizon, its movement appears to slow down, eventually seeming to freeze in time. This illusion occurs because the black hole's gravity warps both space and time, stretching light waves and making the object fade from view. Inside the event horizon, the laws of physics as we know them begin to break down, and the fate of anything crossing it remains hidden from the outside universe. Beyond the event horizon of a black hole lies a realm where the laws of physics as we know them begin to break down. At the very center is the singularity, a point of infinite density where matter is crushed to an unimaginable state. Some theories suggest that space and time themselves cease to have meaning in this region. There is even speculation that passing through a black hole could lead to another universe or a different part of our own, though these ideas remain purely theoretical. The true nature of what exists beyond the event horizon continues to challenge and inspire scientists and thinkers alike. As we approach the edge of a black hole, reality itself begins to unravel. In those final, fleeting seconds, the familiar laws of physics dissolve, and time stretches toward infinity. The very fabric of existence is rewritten, leaving us with more questions than answers. What secrets lie beyond the event horizon? The universe is filled with mysteries waiting to be discovered, each more profound than the last.